If the bed has square legs or round legs with a diameter greater than 65mm, use bedbug barrier tape. At ground level, simply wrap bedbug barrier tape around the bed leg, making sure to overlap the tape. Apply a final treatment of bedbug barrier killer powder around the full perimeter of the bed leg. If you'd prefer not to leave any of the bedbug killer powder on the floor, apply the bedbug barrier tape to the bed leg 10 cm higher than floor level. Use a wet sponge or water mister to moisten the bed leg below the tape. This will aid powder adhesion. Lastly, apply bedbug killer powder to the moistened bed leg with the duster. Keep the treated bed at least 30 cm away from the wall and from other bedroom furniture, including bedside tables, for at least 6 weeks. If you have bed bugs in your room, they will come to the bed at night looking for a blood meal, but they will be stopped by the bed bug barriers and killed after coming into contact with the powder.